Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Sebola and I am 23 years of age. I'm from Limpopo and I am the founder of KPN Herbal Solutions. I started KPN Herbal Solutions 2 years back. The reason I started KPN Herbal Solutions is because I realized that herbal products are not actually products that are being used all the time nowadays. And herbal products are actually good products that help to clean and boost the system. KPN Herbal Solutions is a company, a business that I started, and it focuses on weight loss, detoxifying, cleaning and boosting the system. I specialize only with herbal products. If you want to get a hold of us, you can contact us on 060-90-78678. Our Facebook page is KPN Herbal Solutions. My name is KP Naledi and I am a township entrepreneur.